Welcome. This is a video in the series How to Rumble. In this video I will explain what are rumbles. What does 4050 rumbles mean at the top right of your screen next to your avatar? We are going to search for it on the frequently asked questions page. Rumbles are the equivalent of likes. Plus or minus means you like or dislike someone's comment or video. We keep a tally in your account. So any positive number of rumbles means you've got more likes than dislikes from people looking at your content. Here is an example. You can like or dislike a video by clicking on plus or minus. You can also like or dislike a comment by clicking on plus or minus. They keep a tally in your account. So any positive number of rumbles means you've got more likes than dislikes from people looking at your content. You can see the amount of rumbles also on the phone app. When you click on the three dashes in the upper left corner, you will find more information about rumbles. Here is the exact number of rumbles. Open official rules to find more information. In the Rumble battle you can also earn rumbles if people like your video. When you like the video, please give it a rumble and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. If you have a question, please use the comment box here below.